Welcome to this educational video on Tesla Model X controls. The primary way to open the glove box in a Tesla Model X is via the central touchscreen. Navigate to the Controls menu, indicated by a steering wheel icon. Within the Vehicle section, you'll find a glove box toggle. Tapping this sends a signal to the car's body control module, which then triggers the glove box to open. This digital control eliminates the need for a physical button or key. Alternatively, you can use Tesla's voice command feature. Simply say, "Hey Tesla, open the glove box," or a similar variation like "Unlock glove box." The system uses natural language processing to understand your command and open the glove box. This is a hands-free option, especially useful while driving. Tesla's glove box control has evolved through software updates. Early Model X releases introduced digital control on the touchscreen, allowing users to open the glove box with a simple tap. Later updates integrated voice commands, enabling hands-free operation by saying, "Hey Tesla, open the glove box." This added convenience and accessibility. More recent updates, like V12.5.1, have refined the system for smoother operation, reduced latency, and enhanced accessibility features, such as haptic feedback on the touchscreen. Tesla continuously improves these features via over-the-air software updates, ensuring the glove box control remains reliable and user-friendly. The glove box in the Tesla Model X includes important safety features that automatically lock the compartment under certain conditions. First, the glove box automatically locks whenever the vehicle itself is locked. This ensures that contents remain secure when you're away from the car. Second, the glove box locks automatically when the vehicle is in motion. This safety measure prevents the compartment from opening accidentally while driving, which could distract the driver or cause items to fall out. This motion-based locking is a key safety feature that protects both the driver and passengers by eliminating potential hazards during travel. Despite these safety locks, the system integrates seamlessly with Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving capabilities. During supervised driving, you can still use voice commands to access the glove box when needed. This integration allows for hands-free operation while maintaining safety protocols. The voice command works even with autopilot active, as long as you're supervising the drive. If the glove box doesn't open using either the touchscreen or voice commands, here are some troubleshooting steps to try. First, check that your Tesla's software is fully updated. Software glitches are a common cause of glove box issues. On the touchscreen, go to Controls, then Software, and select Check for Updates to install any available fixes. Second, check the 12-volt auxiliary battery. The glove box mechanism is powered by this battery, and a weak or dead battery can stop it from working. Look for the battery under the hood or in the frunk, and check its voltage with a multimeter if needed. Third, confirm that valet mode is disabled. When valet mode is active, it locks out certain vehicle functions like the glove box for security. Access controls on the touchscreen, go to Safety and Security, and make sure valet mode is turned off. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Tesla Service. They have the expertise and tools to properly diagnose and fix any underlying problems with the glove box mechanism. Tesla's vehicle controls are evolving with greater AI integration, making interactions more intuitive and predictive. Voice assistants are becoming central to car operations, processing commands locally for enhanced privacy. Screen controls are trending toward multimodal interfaces, combining touch with gesture recognition for a more natural user experience. This allows drivers to interact with the car in multiple ways, such as waving to open features. Privacy remains a key focus, with voice data processed entirely on the device rather than sent to the cloud. This ensures user conversations and commands stay secure and private within the vehicle. Looking ahead to 2027-2028, remote glove box access via the Tesla mobile app could become a reality. This would enable convenient features like accessing the glove box for package deliveries without being in the vehicle. Automotive analysts praise Tesla's digital glove box controls for their seamless user experience and role in reducing driver distraction. Tesla's owner surveys indicate a 98% success rate for glove box openings via screen or voice. Failures are rare and typically related to software glitches that are quickly addressed via OTA updates. Opening the glove box in a Tesla Model X is primarily done through the touchscreen or voice command. The system has evolved through software updates for improved performance and safety. By staying updated with the latest software, users can ensure seamless operation of this feature. Remember to troubleshoot basic issues before contacting Tesla service.